The Animal Bridge. Bear was eating some juicy forest berries when Blue Jay swooped down next to him. The trucks are back, Blue Jay screeched. Rabbit hopped by the squealed. They're working on another construction project. Oh no, not again, Bear cried. It seems as though the humans just finished building their busy highway, Rabbit complained. Blue Jay reported. They're at it again, chopping down trees and digging up the dirt and grass. Bear growled. When will those humans stop building? He thought. They kept constructing roads through the forest. In the process, they were destroying the animals' homes and foods. Some animals had even been hit by cars when they're trying to cross the busy roads. Bear grabbed a bunch of berries and sat down a tree to think. Then he noticed Deer trotting slowly toward him, her head down. Bear asked, What's the matter, dear? Deer moaned. I'm all alone. I got cut off from my herd near Mouse Trail. Now I'm so scared to cross the road and to join them. Enough is enough, phoned Bear. We need to think of some way to stop the humans. The animals gathered toward at the woody hill. We need to get through, Rabbit yelled to the animals. Yes, they all agreed. Too bad none of us can fly. I can't say. Too bad none of you can fly, said Blue Jay. If you had wings, then you wouldn't need to cross the road. I can't fly, said Rabbit, but I can chew. Rabbit showed off her two front teeth. She said, I have an idea. My big teeth can chew through anything. I can get underneath the trunks and chew through the wires. Then the humans can dig. Rabbit jumped down the hill. I'm going to stop them right now, she said. Rabbit dashed like lightning toward Mouse Trail. Then Rabbit chewed her teeth on a wire. She chewed hard until snap, the wire split. But one of her big teeth cracked. Rabbit came up from under the truck and hopped back to the woody hill. Rabbit showed her cracked tooth to the other animals. I did it, she said. But ouch, now my tooth hurts. Then Moose boosted. I can use my strong antlers to ram into anything. I'll crush those trucks. Moose marched the forest. At first, he rammed into the trucks. He made a dent. Yes, roared Moose. He hit the truck again and again. Now Moose was dizzy. He spun around and around. The trucks had 3 big dents. Moose, we are making our mark, he announced. Then he fell down because he was so dizzy. Skunk bragged, My stank can drive away the workers. Skunk sprayed a good whiff. Gross, Turtle shouted. You stink. Skunk laughed and scurried down to Moss Trail. Skunk scampered behind the workers and left her tail. The human smiled her order immediately. Grabbed masks to cover their noses and mouths. They returned to their work. Skunk returned to the woodtail. That was easy as ABC, he boasted. Animals went to check on the humans. They were upset to see that the humans were still working in the forest. No, our effects are useless, Rabbit fumed. No matter what we do, we can't seem to get rid of them, sighed Bear. Then one day, they saw something strange. They watched the workers put dirt and grass over the bridge. Moose said, My goodness, humans are weird. Soon the workers left the bridge. Then the animals saw the workers under the bridge. They were putting signs by the side of the road that passed beneath the bridge. Hey, wait a minute, Bear said. That's a picture of me. I think this bridge was made for us. The animals whooped and hollered. The humans are trying to help us, Rabbit exclaimed. They made their bridge into an animal bridge, Moose added, smiling. Deer said, Now I can find my herd. Then she bounded off into the forest. The animals stood, peered down at the busy traffic below the bridge. Hooray for our bridge, Bear cheered.